Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and I do handbag reviews. If you're not new, welcome back guys. It's so great to see you. This is a very impromptu video. I just got home from work to find a package on my island, and this is gonna be a giveaway that I won from my friend Devin Christopher. So guys, if you haven't checked out Devin Christopher's channel, he is such a kick-ass person. He just passed 1,000 subscribers and he did a little giveaway, and I can't believe it. I actually won the giveaway. Like, I couldn't believe it. And it's in this box, and you guys, the stuff he wrote on this box cracks me up. It says fresh pickle farts inside. It says granny panties inside this box. What else? He did some little doodling over here on the side. But yeah, and then over here it says F is for friends who do fun stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all. I love you, Julie. He's just so sweet. So, okay, I've got it here. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this. And I'm so excited, Devin. Thank you so, so much. I never win anything. And this was a very, very like generous giveaway. So that was really, really sweet of him. So anyway, I wanted to definitely do this unboxing on camera. So, okay. Oh, wow. So, oh my gosh. Check this out, you guys. He did a little bit of a drawing here on the box. This is super cute. This is really nice. Okay, it's a magnetic box. Wow. Okay. Okay, and then this card is so cute. It says, from one handbag addict to another. Oh my God. And it smells really good. I think he sprayed it with perfume. It says, shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among the stars. Wishing you all the best in 2023. Thank you for your friendship. I have loved getting to know you. You are such an amazing mom and your kids are lucky to have you. Have the best year. I am gonna cry. Thank you so much forever, Devin, from Big Butt Greeting Cards. Devin and I have talked a lot about my kids, and he's such a sweet person. Okay, I'm not gonna get that emotional, but I just love him. And I love everything he stands for. I love him and his husband. It's got Louis Vuitton paper. Oh, you guys. Oh my God. Look at this bag. This is absolutely beautiful. So this is the Kurt Geiger Kensington bag, and it's totally kick-ass. Like, I absolutely love it. He showed this as a giveaway and I was like, are you sure you really want to give this away? Apparently he has the green one though, so I think he just didn't. Maybe, Devin, did you not want two of these then? Wow, this bag is brand new. This is very nice. So nice. Oh, I love it. This is absolutely so cute. I love it. And it actually looks super nice with this blue color that I have on. I love it, Devin. Yay! So yeah, I just really wanted to do this on camera. It is so cool. I am going to definitely rock this. This is probably my most fabulous bag I own in my collection. And it just always will remind me of you, Devin. Thank you. And thank you for the sweet note. Like, that was a gift in itself. So, yeah. Alrighty, honey. Well, thank you so much. Guys, check out Devin's channel, Devin Christopher. He's into fashion. He's definitely got his own cool ass style for sure. He's apparently a good artist and a writer. So yeah, check him out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.